What's up, folks? This is Jesse with Keeping It Real Finance, channel that always has your back and tells it like it is. Today's video is going to be a review and price prediction for Enjin coin. So by popular demand, I had this one come up in the comments numerous times of people asking me to do a review on it. So I decided to go ahead and get that done today along with a price prediction. On that price prediction, it is mine. I am not a psychic medium. I am just a guy who looks at data, who looks at news, and tries to add things up logically. All right? That's it. Don't shoot me. All right. So if this is your first time to the channel, now let's get it going. So what is Enjin coin? Well, Enjin coin is the native token of the Enjin network. Now, the Enjin network is a social gaming platform where users create websites, chat, and host virtual item stores. Now, Enjin allows game developers to tokenize in-game items, allowing items to be bought, sold, and traded with real-world value. Now, a little bit of background. So, Enjin was founded in 2009 by Maxim Blagov and Vitek Radomski as a gaming community platform. Now, what's interesting here is that Radomski, he's the tech guy here, discovered Bitcoin all the way back in 2012, and he liked it so much he convinced the company to accept it as a payment method. Later learning about Ethereum and smart contracts, he decided he wanted to create his own blockchain integrated software. Now, Enjin coin is an ERC20 token, meaning it runs on the Ethereum blockchain, and the token itself was launched on the Ethereum mainnet in June of 2018. So, what is Enjin's sales pitch? Well, every coin minted with the Enjin platform, the company's blockchain asset development platform, is backed by ENJ coin, giving in-game items real-world liquidity. So a goal of the company is adoption, where they envision millions of gamers using Enjin coin without even knowing it, right? So how it works. So Enjin coin uses smart contracts where game developers send ENJ to mint new fungible and non-fungible tokens, or NFTs. These are real popular buzzwords as of late, right? Now, the tokens can then be traded in the Enjin marketplace, which was launched in September of 2019, or exchanged for ENJ at any time. Now, as more tokens are minted, ENJ is removed, making it scarcer, so it's deflationary. Now, according to Google Trends, ENJ is at the highest it's ever been right now, as evidenced here. And this correlates with the current chart. Now, per Enjin.io, so this is Enjin's website, the platform is trusted by millions, evidenced by 1.5 million wallet installs, 2.1 billion in created assets, and 40.9 million in marketplace volume for the ENJ coin. And I will see you on the next one. Later.